In today's video, I am going to teach you how to collapse rows in Smartsheet. This is a simple workflow that helps you keep your sheet organized. Instead of viewing every detail at once, you can collapse rows to hide sections temporarily. This makes the page easier to scan, especially when your Smartsheet contains many nested items or long lists. To get started, open the Smartsheet that you want to work with. Make sure you are looking at the table where the rows are expanded. If your sheet is already showing a lot of information, collapsing rows can reduce visual clutter and help you focus on what you need right now. Next, click the primary column. In Smartsheet, the primary column is the leftmost main column that usually contains the primary identifiers or main row content. When you click in that column, you are telling Smartsheet which rows you intend to manage. Take a moment to confirm you have selected the correct area. You should be able to see the row or rows that will be affected after you click in the primary column. Once you have clicked the primary column, the next step is to click the three dots. The three dots are typically part of the row or options menu. They may appear near the selected row or within a menu related to the row controls. When you see the three dots, click them to open the options panel. This menu is where Smartsheet provides different ways to organize and adjust the view of rows. After clicking the three dots, you should see a menu with several actions. Now you are ready to use the collapse feature. Look carefully through the options and find the command that relates to collapsing rows. The goal here is to choose an action that hides the expanded row sections while keeping the overall structure visible. The final step is to click Collapse All. When you select Collapse All, Smartsheet will automatically collapse the relevant expanded rows. This means any expanded details will be hidden, and you will see a cleaner, more compact layout. Depending on how your sheet is set up, collapsing may reduce how much information is visible at once, making the rows easier to navigate. Take a moment to confirm the change on screen. After you click Collapse All, the rows should shift from an expanded state into a collapsed state. You may notice that some rows now appear as grouped items instead of showing all their nested details. This is exactly what you want when your objective is to simplify the view. It is also helpful to understand why this step matters. Collapsing rows can be useful during review or presentations when you want to focus on the higher-level items. Instead of scrolling through everything, you can quickly scan the structure and then expand specific rows later if you need more detail. When you are done checking the view, you can continue working in your Smartsheet normally. If you decide you want to see the details again, you can reverse the collapse by using the appropriate expand option from the row menu. For now, the important part is that Collapse All provides a quick way to reduce the amount of expanded content in your sheet. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.